Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add currency converter in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over to a new tab and then search in here for apps.shopify.com. Now this is the app store of Shopify. Now in here you can see the search bar, so click on it and then just search in here for currency converter. So let's search for currency converter right here. Then after that, we should be able to see some search results that we can choose from. So you can use this box currency converter or a lot of currency converter right here. But for me, I recommend you to just choose this because I have tried this before. Now let's head over and click on this install button. And then as you can see, it will open a new tab wherein it will ask us for access in order to successfully integrate this application to our dashboard. Now click on the install button and as you can see, it will install itself. Now this is what it looks like. We just need to set this up. So head over and click on this turn on icon right here and this will turn on the app status. Now we just need to turn that on and as you can see, it's been turned on. So let's click on this get started right here in order to start the setup. And here you just need to click on the setup right here. And then you just need to see this go to Shopify settings general. Now we can see this HTML recurrency. So we need to copy that. And let's click on the Shopify settings general. Now this will open in here a new tab wherein we should be able to see the settings that we're talking about. So in here, you just need to look for the option that we are having right now. So as you can see, we have here the currency and all of these things right here. So in here, you can see the store currency. As of right now, I'm in the Philippine peso. So you can click on this read us right here. Click on this change currency formatting. And in here, you can see in here the HTML with currency. So let's remove this and let's put this one. Now let's head back to the previous tab. And in here, we can see the HTML without currency. Click on copy right here. And then let's remove this one. And then let's add this. After that, click on save right here. And then it will be saved. Next thing we need to do is we need to head back and click on next. I have done this. After that, we just need to enable the app extension, which is the setup too. So click on enable right here. Click on this theme app extension settings. Now this will direct you to a new page wherein you can see the Shopify editor. So in here, we should be able to see the app embeds that we have on our actual theme. So make sure that the box right here is turned on. So let's turn that on. After that, click on the save button right here and it should be saved. Now let's head back again. Click on I have done this. And then after that, it should be able to be ready to go. So you can add in here some currency that you want added. So for example, you can search in here for currency that you want. For example, let's add Albanian, but they also have a lot of more of currency options. Like for example, you can use Egyptian pound and all of these things. So head over and then just make sure that it's been turned on. After that, save on your progress. And then let's click on this eye icon right here in order to view your online store. Now, once you have clicked on it, you can scroll down and in here you can see that I have this. As of right now, they are on the pesos. So you can click on this drop down icon right here and you can change this to US dollar. And as you can see, they've been changed to US dollar. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.